Well, there are a lot of advances that have been made in the research labs that are very exciting, related to our understanding of cancer and how it develops and how the body responds to it. What's really exciting is our ability to help patients, and we're seeing some of the advances that came out of our research labs a few years ago, now to the point where they're actually helping patients and reducing the burden of cancer for these patients. So far and away, that's the most exciting advance we've had this year. So at the Holden Comprehensive Cancer Center, we conduct basic research into the nature of cancer. We educate the next generation of cancer caregivers and cancer researchers, and we provide world-class cancer care. And we couldn't do any one of those things as well as we do without doing all three of them. Having very bright students with us helps us conduct better research when they come up with ideas, and also keeps us on our toes as we're caring for patients with complex problems. Being able to conduct research allows us to bring the advances we have made to patients as quickly as possible. So all three of our major efforts of education, patient care, and research are vitally important to making progress. One of the unique aspects of the Holden Comprehensive Cancer Center is how we bring basic scientists doing cancer research in the research labs and our clinical experts taking care of cancer patients in the hospital and the clinics together. And we do this in a number of ways. One of them is through the multidisciplinary oncology groups, or MOGs, that are composed of experts who are interested in a specific cancer type, such as leukemia, breast cancer, colorectal cancer, etc. By bringing those experts together, we're able to bring those advances from the research lab to our patients faster. And we're seeing today some of the advances that have come out of the basic research labs just a few years ago through the MOGs. Another way we encourage those interactions is actually working with our graduate students who are obtaining a PhD in cancer biology and requiring them to spend some time with cancer doctors seeing cancer patients. That's a perspective most researchers don't get. And our students tell us it really changes their perspective on their work, from thinking about a gene or a cell under a microscope to really thinking about what's important, which is what's going on in the patient. So 2019 has been an incredibly exciting year along the full spectrum of the work we do here at Holden. We're making discoveries in the research laboratory about the nature of cancer, about how the body responds to cancer, and why cancer might spread in some patients and not others. But far and away the most exciting advance this year was our ability to take that science and use it to actually help patients. We have new cancer therapies now that we couldn't have dreamed of just a decade ago, and they're helping patients here every day. Far and away, that's the greatest advance we could have hoped for in 2019, and we look for greater things moving forward.